Welcome back, guys. Hope everybody's doing well. Getting into the holiday season here. Put up Christmas lights today. Now I'm just kind of monkeying around with the GTO. On Friday, we got the exhaust put on it after the first startup video, which if you watched the channel, you saw we got it started with no exhaust on it on Thursday night. One of the guys came over and we bolted up the exhaust on Friday, and it's got it running pretty good now. One thing that did happen, for some reason the alternator's not charging now, and I got to figure that out. I hope I didn't blow up the alternator somehow or another. But anyway, it was a brand new alternator from Ames Performance, so we'll return it if it's not working. So stay tuned. Hope everybody's good. Please hit that like, subscribe, and comment down below and share the video. Let's grow the channel. Thanks, guys.